Hello and welcome to our first talk on Awareness TechTalk Series on Strategic Technology. I am Vinay Mistry, founder and consulting CIO at CoEqual Associates. We are going to discuss how small and medium businesses use technology today. I have a lot of stories on this topic, but I will discuss a few across next 2 to 3 talks. Let us start with the first one. Who told you to buy? During our initial days, when we started CIO consulting and technology business, one of my very good friend called me. Vinay, one of my friend has some problem in his ERP. He will call you for help. I said, why not? Let me give you background of the person who was going to call me. He was one of the director of a company manufacturing automobile plastic parts with an impressive clientele. Their products were built with high quality standards. His friend called me. He told me, hey Vinay, I'm having some issues related to customization of ERP. I asked him which ERP you are using. He said I am using ABC ERP. Since I do not wish to reveal the ERP product what he was using, so let us consider it as an ABC ERP. Further he said I want to add some more features externally by building an application on top of the ERP. Then he discussed in length about what feature he wants to add. To my knowledge, any good ERP would have those features what he told me. So I told him, why don't you talk to ERP support team? They can help you with the proper development of these features. He said, I did discuss with support team as well as with the vendor who implemented our ERP. But they said, we cannot have this feature on this ERP. Now I was curious. I asked him, since when you are using this ERP? He said, now it's been more than a year. So I asked him, how we are managing without these features? These are very much needed for your business. He said we are using Excels for that, but they are not effective. We are missing a lot of important process steps. My curiosity reached to an extreme level. I bluntly asked him, how you bought this ERP? What he told me next was very shocking. He said, we hired an accountant last year. We were facing some accounting processing related issues. He told us we were using ABC ERP in my last organization, which solved this problem. So we called a vendor who was selling ABC ERP. We took a demo. We saw the problem we were facing was getting resolved. But after 6 months with this ERP, we were not able to add some more custom workflows which were required for our end-to-end business process. But since we already invested in hardware and software, we decided to continue using it. I further asked him where this accountant was working before. He said he was working with a trade house. The director requested us to evaluate how their problem can be resolved with existing infrastructure. We did our evaluation to build a parallel application to the ERP, but the application architecture was way too complex. It was definitely not worth spending money to build a parallel application. So we suggested them to go with a new ERP after doing proper homework. What was the real problem here? The real problem was they implemented an ERP solution which was suggested by an accountant working in a trade house without proper evaluation on compatibility to their end-to-end business processes. Furthermore, they did not evaluate support availability and vendor reputation. So what are the takeaways from this story? These takeaways are not just for ERP. These takeaways are for any hardware, software, services you intend to buy for your business. The first and the foremost key takeaway: never buy a product based on existing business problems. Evaluate if product is compatible to your business and the product should add value to your business. The next takeaway is never buy a product based on recommendations. A recommendation is one's own perspective based on the job what they are doing. In this case, an accountant might not understand the intricacies of plastic products manufacturing business. His concentration was on streamlining accounting processes. The third takeaway, most important, is to have an approach to internally analyze, document your needs and wants, and build well documented requirements. The next takeaway is evaluate multiple products before choosing any one product. When you choose a product, make sure you evaluate multiple vendors. And if you don't have skills or time to do these activities, it's better to talk to experts rather than just buying something which will add burden to your business. Let me summarize this story. Think, document, analyze, evaluate multiple products and then select one product. Hope this story will help you understanding how SMBs use technology. We will talk about few more real life stories on this topic in upcoming talks. See you soon with next Tech Talk. Meanwhile, we request you to please provide your valuable information in the link shown here so that we can send in details about our upcoming Tech Talk updates. In case you wish to reach us for any information, feedback, or discussion, please feel free to email us or just call us. We will be happy to talk to you. Do take out time and visit our website. You can connect to us on social media for future updates. Thank you for your time.